Turuns 1D. Before we begin, I would like to ask you, who are currently studying in junior high school, grade 11 or 12? Do you know what K-12 means? Well, K-12 originated primarily in the US. It is a global transition in the education system in the world. K-12 means that the basic education will now consist of 12 years instead of the 10-year program from the old curriculum. Living in the Philippines, K-12 would not be a great idea in our perspective because first, employees and staff in first year and second year colleges would lose their jobs for at least 3 to 4 years. Dropout rate would increase and the Philippines would be underfunding their K-12 program. Even though we have stated some negative effects earlier, I believe that K-12 would bring students enough or even more learning competencies that would equip them for college years. Yet again, K-12 should be suspended in the Philippines. According to GMAnetwork.com, 25,090 teachers and staff from first year and second year colleges will lose their jobs for at least 4 years because of the transition phase K-12 is undergoing here in the Philippines. Dropout rate among students in the Philippines would increase to 200,000 to 400,000 students because of parents who would not be able to sustain the 2-year senior high school education of their children based on the standard.com.ph. K-12 will go underfunded in the Philippines because, according to teacherph.com, the Philippines' budget allocation for education never reached 4% in the GDP for the past decades, which would mean disaster because the standard GDP for education to sustain K-12 is actually 6%. As a student in the Philippines, we just want to get the best education in an economically reasonable price. We do not entirely close our doors for the K-12 program to push through back in the Philippines. All we want is a proper orientation and assistance as we transit this global education in the education system. I leave the choice to you, my dear audience, whether how to react in this issue. I hope I had enlightened you in this issue. Just remember what George Carver would say. Education is key to unlock the golden door to success. Kau Kap Kun. And good day.